The Voigt Kampff machine is more than a plot device, it is a touchstone of cyberpunk visual language. Its form is defined by a stark, rectangular console littered with chrome-softened knobs, an oscillating steel armature, and a glass-covered diagnostic panel that glows amber-orange against a sea of shadows. The screen itself is a phosphorescent CRT, its rounded corners softened by a subtle matte bezel that invites the viewer's eye to linger on the cathode ray display. The physical outline feels industrial, as if salvaged from a 1980s scientific instrument, yet the proportions are deliberately exaggerated, to make the act of testing feel ceremonial. Functionally, the interface hands balance between humanoid interrogation and clinical measurement. A pressure sensor in the arm's grip registers involuntary physiological responses, while a series of bar graphs, waveform tracings, and a large, pulsating L-shaped meter animate the subject's nervous system. Operators interact via a recessed keypad and a single rotary dial that adjusts the stimulus intensity, turning the machine into a performance space where the tester can pace the emotional crescendo. The feedback loop, visual meter, audible hum, and a silhouette of the subject projected onto a rear wall, creates an immersive, almost theatrical experience that blurs the line between machine and narrative. Aesthetically, the UI embodies the film's contradictory palette, bleeding neon against rain-slick concrete, high-tech sheen softened by worn-out chrome. The screen's saturated amber glow, filtered through a haze of fog, evokes a nostalgic future imagined through 1980s analog circuitry. Its visual language borrows from industrial design, exposed screws, rivet-filled panels, and overlays them with futuristic typographic readouts rendered in a neon green, monospaced font. The overall impression is one of cold precision masked by a gritty, lived-in atmosphere, making the Voigt Kampff both a relic of speculative tech and an archetype for decades of digital dystopia that followed.